All right, we're gonna be making some Sangrita. Loose translation to Sangrita is young blood. It's a very traditional palate cleanser whenever you're drinking a nice sipping tequila, or really any tequila in general. It's just nice to have a good palate cleanse between sips. Walk you through the quick ingredients. So we've got equal parts tomato juice and orange juice. We're gonna do about 4 ounces of each. A couple squeezes of lime. We're gonna use a hot sauce. You don't want it to be too spicy, more heat, less spice. And then a couple pinches of salt. All right, I've got about 4 ounces of tomato juice in here. We're gonna do equal parts orange juice, so probably another 4 ounces there. A couple squeezes of fresh lime juice. Some hot sauce. Again, we want not a super spicy hot sauce. You want it to have some heat, but not be spicy. So I'm just gonna do about 4 dashes there. And then probably about 2 to 3 pinches of salt. Make sure you stir it really well. We're gonna shake ours. All right, you're ready to drink tequila.